Hey everyone, Izzy and MJ from Endless RVing. We have an important video. You guys really like these videos, these monthly updates on the market conditions. And here is a recent news article regarding a major RV manufacturer that has reported a decrease of 58% in total earnings for Q2 of 2024. So we have this story, and then we have another important story. We're gonna get right into it.
So the first story comes from RVnews.com and it's dated June 6, 2024. And this has to do with REV Group. REV Group adjusts to market conditions. Fiscal second quarter, their financial report reported significant decreases in its RV segment. The sales dropped to $179.7 million, and that's a 30% decrease compared with the same time last year.
Net sales.
Yes. So the adjusted earnings totaled $12.1 million, down 58% from the fiscal second quarter of 2023.
So for those of you who've never heard of REV Group, they are the parent company of the following very recognizable brands: American Coach, Fleetwood RV, Holiday Rambler, Renegade RV, Midwest Automotive Designs, and Lance Trailer. So if you've heard of any of those brands, the parent company is REV Group. Fewer shipments contributed to the sales decrease. RV shipments declined by 43% compared to the same period a year ago. Towable shipments declined by 70%. New motorized RV shipments through April were down by 22% compared with the same period of last year.
According to REV Group President and CEO, I am going to massacre this name. I apologize. Mark
Just call him Mark S.
Mark S. Skonizny, I don't know. The 2025 model year orders have been softer than anticipated, he says. So this is his quote. Within the recreational vehicle segment, he said, overall industry demand for motorized RVs, which accounts for more than 90% of our RV segment, remains depressed. And then he discussed some of the factors he feels are impacting customers purchasing these RVs. High interest rates, which we have mentioned in every single video we've done, increased floor plan costs, and negative trade-in values for RVs that were bought right around COVID, so between 2020 and 2023.
If people are looking to upgrade their RV, now they're underwater
Right.
on an RV they overpaid for, so then I gotta get the next one. Which is back why in 2020 or 21, we said it was the worst time to buy an RV. We did so many videos telling people, wait. Now is actually the time to buy. If you're looking to buy an RV, we're gonna talk a little bit more about what we've been seeing in this video.
Right, and I think what's difficult for them too, as they alluded to there, is that with every video we've done with shipments and registrations and everything, the motorized are way down, and that is the majority of what they sell.
Now we have a lot more in this video that's really important, but we do want to comment. There's one company that is continuing to grow in the RV industry, and you may know this company, and it's Matt from Matt's RV Reviews with the Liquified. And Liquified is growing because it's a great product. Now, if you don't know what Liquified is a RV black tank treatment. It's enzyme based, and it's made in the USA, and the company is exploding. People are loving this.
It is exploding. So Matt is the sponsor of this video, and we love talking about this product. We're really passionate about it. It comes in different forms. So you have the liquid, you have pods, and Matt also is now having a powder that you can get. Oh, I love that. So they have the orange scent, and he also has lavender, so that would be the purple.
They're made in USA, like I said earlier, and they really work. And Matt is so confident that his product works, that if you go to www.liquifiedrv.com/free bottle, he will send you a free 16-ounce bottle. Only thing you have to pay for is shipping.
Right.
Now,
not 32 ounces. So we had some people say it's not free. That's if you choose the larger. The only thing you have to pay for is shipping. So make sure if you're going to do this that you get the 16 ounce and you'll get it.
So Matt wants to give you the opportunity to try his product on his dime because he is confident that you're going to be back. You can go read their reviews. Again, www.liquifiedrv.com/free bottle. You'll get your free bottle, and it's going to cost you like $4 for shipping. So if you want more information about Liquified, we'll put their information down below. So let's continue. We just released a video maybe a week and a half ago about RV shipments. We'll link it up above. And the shipments are once again higher. So it's like it's the fourth or fifth month in a row that they're higher versus last year. But we always talk about right after the shipments come the RV sales or registrations numbers, and that's what we're going to give you right now.
So this is coming from RVbusiness.com, and it is dated June 10th, 2024. Retail registrations at 34,831 in April, down 9.8% year over year. So as always, this is done through Statistical Surveys Incorporated. So there were 34,831 retail registrations recorded in April 2024, which is a 9.8% decline compared to the 38,628 total in April of 2023.
Year to date, there have been 110,796 retail registrations, otherwise known as sales, which is a 10.4% decrease versus 123,720 total for the same period in 2023. Now, we're just going to give you some quick numbers, guys, and we're just going to give you percentages. If you want all the specific details, we'll link this article down below. So starting in the United States with travel trailers and fifth wheels, which are the two largest segments in the RV industry, travel trailers are down 10% versus April of last year. Fifth wheels are down 10.9% versus last year.
Camping trailers are down 28.6% from last year. Park models are, these are small numbers. There was an increase of 93.8%. Then moving into the motorized, this is where it's every month it's been hurting.
So REV Group is getting destroyed right now.
Right, because they are primarily motorized. So Class A's are down 21.8%.
Class C's are down 15%. Exactly, and Class B's are down 19.9%. Now let's move into Canada for our Canadian friends.
You know, whenever we do this, people from Canada say, thank you so much for providing Canadian numbers.
Canadian numbers.
We have a lot of Canadian friends.
So travel trailers are down 1.3%. Fifth wheels are down 10%.
Camping trailers are increase of 30.5%. Park models are down 25%. Now, that went from 4 to 3, so these are not huge numbers for that. Class A motorhomes actually increased in Canada, 21.3%.
Class C's are down 2.6%, and Class B's are up 6.3%. So the numbers sound better for Canada, but again, Canada is a much smaller
Right, the
segment.
Class A's are 57, so it's not a lot.
So let's talk about, we just got back from the National Indoor RV Center's Music City Motorhome Expo, and as the title or the name of the show says, it was motorhomes. Now, what did we see there? What did we see at that show?
We saw a lot of people buying motorhomes. A lot of people.
Now, a little bit of a different show. There was an entry fee that was pretty substantial. And the reason that was done was to kind of make it a VIP experience and to weed out people that weren't buying. Because if you were there, you were going there to buy. What we did see there were a lot of test drives, a lot of people buying pretty high price RVs, big discounts. We saw really big discounts, aggressive deals. One thing that the show was kind of divided up to manufacturers. Saw a lot of, at one point, the Newmars were all out on the road.
On test drives, yeah.
A lot of Tiffins on the road.
Yeah.
Integra's, decent amount. Newmar was by far the most. Fleetwood, Holiday Rambler, it was like a ghost town.
It was kind of dead.
So there was a couple that we saw, but the lot was pretty much filled with their coaches. So I don't know why. I don't know if that population at that show was just, that's not what they were interested in, but it was just something that we observed.
So we have a video coming out in the near future from that show. We've already done the Fleetwood Palisade full tour. We'll link that up above. But we did a test drive of it. So we kind of will let you know our thoughts in that. But yeah, for the Newmar, it was hard to get a slot to test drive. We had to like squeeze it in before everybody started.
At one point, there was no Newmars on the lot. There was like 2 out of many that they had there.
And for Fleetwood, we were able to get a time slot, no problem. And even when we were going on them to film,
there was nobody.
There was really not a lot of people there. So that previous article that we were discussing seemed apparent at that show as well.
So in the comments below, let us know, what do you think about this news? Is it something that surprises you? What is the situation with RVs in your area? Are you seeing a lot of inventory? Are you looking to buy an RV? Are you getting aggressive pricing, or are dealers just not budging? We want your feedback down below, not only because we want it, but we want our viewers to see it also. If you like videos like this, guys, to the left of us, we'll put our RV news playlist. We'll put our RV tours playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime. And we'll see you on the road.